Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream keychains with clay. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need polymer clay in your favorite ice cream colors, plus a tan or brown for the cone. Don't forget a small eye pin, a keychain ring, and a craft blade. Ensure your workspace is clean and have your oven ready for baking later. This project is fun and results in a delightful, personalized accessory. Now, let's shape the ice cream. Take a small piece of your chosen clay color and roll it into a smooth ball. Gently indent the top with a tool or your finger to give it that classic, slightly melted scoop appearance. For extra flair, you can add tiny clay sprinkles or a contrasting color for a drizzle effect. Next, create the cone. Roll a small amount of tan or brown clay into a cone shape. Use a craft blade to gently score a waffle pattern onto its surface. Carefully attach your ice cream scoop to the top of the cone, pressing firmly to secure it. Finally, insert the eye pin into the very top of the ice cream, ensuring it's centered. The final steps are crucial. Bake your clay charm according to the specific instructions on your polymer clay package, usually around 20 to 30 minutes at a low temperature. Once baked, let it cool completely. This ensures it hardens properly. Finally, attach your adorable new ice cream charm to a keychain ring, and it's ready to use or gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.